Archer, your brother picked out something for you. Do you want to see it?
Yeah.
Yeah? What is it?
Boop. Want it?
You don't want it?
Yeah.
Or do you want to open it?
Yeah.
Which, you want to open it?
No.
It's Ladybug. Is it pretty?
Yeah.
Do you want me to open
Guys.
it? It looks like a car, doesn't it? You want to put it together?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to try to open it yourself?
Monkey. No.
Okay. Archer, did you want to put together your
Yeah.
Legos? You want to get on my lap?
Yeah.
All right.
No. No.
Let's do an unboxing, okay? Come on, we're gonna see what's in this. Let's see what's in here. What's that?
Guys.
Oh, you like that better?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right.
Whoa.
Yeah?
Yeah. Whoa.
And
Whoa.
so
Whoa.
there's 6 pieces total. All right. So where should we put the head?
Okay.
This one in there? You did it! Let's see. Did we do it?